Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. We're reconditioning a all stainless steel cooling tunnel. It's originally built by Nedco. I'll take you through the system right now. It starts with an in-feed conveyor right here, which is 48 inches long. Our electrical is a 220 single phase. We have a small breaker right here that feeds a series of three AC frequency controllers. They're FM50s by Tico, and there is a fourth one at the discharge, and that has its own separate controller and power as you want to be close to the discharge to be able to monitor it while you adjust speed. Anyway, we have a main breaker right here at 20 amp that feeds power down into the junction where all the power feeds go to the individual AC speed controllers. Junction box you see in here is where everything meets in before it goes in through there. We're going to give you a look from the end of the unit here. All the refrigeration doors are removed while we're working on it. Everything in the chain running true, smooth. Obviously has a different drive on either end to operate the speeds of the unit. This end has the discharge conveyor. And you see the controller I mentioned earlier right down below there. So the operator has someone near the discharge can control the speed at that point. This is the drive conveyor, which is pulling the in-feed section, which you saw on the opposite end of the cooling tunnel, through the unit. Obviously you have to pull chain, you can't push it. Once again, you can see all the ends right there. Each end has a little U-turn. Some of the bottles that will be running in it, sitting in there now. We're going to run for about a day before we start trying to work on some speeds and whatnot. It's running at 1/3, just below actually 1/3 of its full speed capacity. You see right here, there's 17 hertz. Everything will be marked, of course, when you're done. Still working along, a lot of little small things to finish. We have lots of equipment for process and packaging in our inventory of nearly 3,000 pieces of equipment, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.